Hello and welcome to the Dashboard Builder. In this video I am going to show you how to use forecasting in the Dashboard Builder. This forecasting feature is available in version 5.3 of the Dashboard Builder. So if you are using an older version of the Dashboard Builder, you need to upgrade it to 5.3. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon button so that you can get the notification when a new video is uploaded. So let's say we want to predict the future a little bit. We want to know what our sale is going to be like. Now run the Dashboard Builder in your browser. This is your welcome screen. Close this screen as we don't need to go with take a tour. In the main screen, click this database icon to connect to your database. Hit the Save Changes button. When you see a green check icon, that means you are connected. Now click the Chart Setting button to create and define your chart properties. On the next screen, select Line Graph from the drop-down list of chart type. Select Order Date in X-axis and Units Hold in Y-axis. Here our actual sales are. I want to see some good analytics. I want to see future. Now click on Analytic tab here. The forecast number is Enable. You must have a date in your X-axis in order to forecast your sale. Otherwise, this button would not be enabled. We can see here again in the solid line. This is our actual data. And then based on the actual data and pattern over time with the data, the Dashboard Builder can through various statistical algorithms produces a forecast of what we should expect. Save your changes in your forecasting dashboard is ready. You have various options to publish your dashboard, like copy and paste of PHP code. Share the link and preview. That's all for now. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel so that you can get notification of our new videos and tutorials.